Namaste. Welcome to the third practice. Chanting Om to start. Om. In this practice, we will focus on our breath and we'll feel the energy the breath brings us. We will start with first pose, fish pose. It's better to use a cushion under your middle back so you can open the chest and relax. So, use a cushion. Lie down on it and make sure that your head touches the ground. That's it. You can open your hands, palms facing upwards, so your chest is open. Feel free to adjust the cushion. Some of you might like it a bit higher, some of you might like it a bit lower. Find a position which feels comfortable. Keep your feet together. Don't drop them out. They can go slightly out, but not all the way out. And now, stay in the pose for 5 minutes. Find the position. Once you have found a good position, bring your awareness to your breath. Observe your inhalation and exhalation. Observe the breath entering your body, going into your lungs and then going out of your body. Follow the path of the breath. Through the nose, into your lungs. Keep observing. The breath enters through the nose, going into the lungs, and then going out. Now carefully observe the energy in the breath. Some of you may find it warm, some of you find cold, but you will observe an energy which is carried by the breath. Observe as this energy spreads throughout your body, regulated by the breath. Observe it spreading through your chest, arms, to your belly, observe as it spreads throughout your legs. "30 seconds more and then we will come out of the pose." And slowly breathe in. Look at your feet and come up, either using your hands on the ground or turning to the side. Next pose, we will do Sphinx. So once again, feet are hip width apart. You can use a cushion under your chest. Going in the pose, you will hold it for 3 minutes. And once you have found a good pose, again observe and connect with your breath. Observe how your lungs expand and contract with the breathing. And slowly expand that movement to your whole body. And you will see that whole body is actually expanding and contracting with your breath. Keep your eyes closed, shoulders open. Observe how your whole body expands as you breathe in and contracts as you breathe out. Whole body expanding and contracting with your inhalation and exhalation. And slowly you will come out of the pose. And remove the cushion if you are using a cushion and lie down in crocodile. Drop your heels outwards. Place your palms, hands under your cheek. Turn your cheek to one side. This is a rebound pose, so take a complete rest. One more minute. Complete surrender to the ground. And come out of the pose. Come on your knees in diamond pose. You can use also a cushion under your hips, so the pressure on the knees is less because we are going to sit for time. We will do cow face. You reach your right hand up, bend it, left hand goes back, you rotate it inwards, and then you flex, you bend your elbow, and you're holding your fingers like this or just touching. You can use also a scarf to hold. Some people might even hold the elbows if they're fairly flexible. Wherever you reach, it does not matter. If you cannot reach to the hands, you can also just hold behind your arms like this, okay? Whichever works for you. Stay there. And once again, observe your breath. Connect with the energy which comes through the breath. Let this energy energize you. spreading throughout your body. We call it power of the breath. Without the breath, we are dead. Which has the we don't see it, but it's there. And if you connect with yourself, you can feel it if you focus on it. So now for next few minutes, just focus on this power of the breath, which gives us life and fills us with energy. Keep breathing. Do not make your breaths longer or deeper. Keep them gentle and natural. There are 5 vital forces in the breath. The major one is called prana. Which is necessary for our heart to beat. It's a warm energy. You can feel it in your breath. And slowly relax your hands. If you require, rotate your shoulders a bit. And now we will do other side. You can choose whichever one you want to do. You can go up or you can hold the arms behind. Once you are in your chosen position, close your eyes, focus on the breath. Just let the breath fill you with energy and fill your heart with life force. prana. Natural, relaxed breathing. From your chest, from your lungs, spreading throughout your body, the life force coming along with the breath. Keep breathing. Thirty seconds more. The whole body is filled with life force, expanding with each inhalation and contracting with each exhalation. Keeping this awareness, slowly relax your hands. Chanting Om to conclude the class. Om. 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 Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you.